All right. So I think I'm a little bit on a roll. I'm sitting here watching the birds and still feeling like I can whip out some crafts. So over here I'm thinking that I was thinking of just covering the whole thing with a piece of sheet music. I guess it remains to be seen if I can do that with what I have sitting around here. Okay, you remember when I did these? I spread the gesso all over the place. I think I'm going to use that. But I do still want to use sheet music. So where is my sheet music? Well, I'm not quite sure yet. I know I don't need these words here, so I'm going to rip that. All right. So check this out. Look at these flowers. It's from 1963. Oh my goodness. You know, this is part of my scatterbrain thing, is that I get all my ideas and I want to stick them in one page. So let's see. I think I'm going to do that one. So let's see. Maybe oh, that's kind of a good size, I guess. Maybe like this. I don't have a bird picked out yet, so I'm not really quite sure what I'm doing with that. See all that music and you still don't see it. All right. Okay, I want to get rid of this straight edge. Yeah, put that down. What do I want? I do. Let me get some kind of ink here. Okay. Now I need a little bird. Should I just stamp her? Facing the wrong way. Why are these birds always facing the wrong way? All right, let's see. Where do you belong? Of course, I'm missing some. They get stuck other places. Let's see, maybe I can find a good color to splatter. Let's see if this works. Looks kind of dirty. Okay, let's see. That's a dark green. I could do blue and then it would kind of contrast. Let's try that. Huh. Doesn't look at all blue. Is that because of what was on there before? I don't know. Okay, we're going with this. Oh, me likey. Now, a bird. I think I'm just going to do her only. We'll save him for another time. I'm going to try and get rid of some of the wintry aspect. I don't know why they always depict cardinals in the wintertime. Probably just because they're the ones that don't migrate, maybe? I don't really know. If you think about it, how many birds do you see in the wintertime? I guess it depends on where you're at. I don't like these. Okay, I like that. But I'm thinking I'm gonna soften some stuff. So maybe too busy? Too busy. Let's see. I was thinking of like a sewing pattern. That's what I was thinking of. I was also thinking I didn't feel like figuring out where one was. I'm thinking these because once you put them down, they're kind of clearish. And so you'll still get it. And I think I'm gonna Mod Podge the whole page. And this is how I'm gonna do it. Put a glop down. It's probably a lot. This is a makeup sponge, I guess. Ooh-wee. And with that, do another one. And do one more. And then I'm going to really press down here. To get everything down pretty hard, and also so that it's a nice surface. All right, now we're going to take this little sucker I don't know how much is really under there. I don't think you need a lot as much as you need coverage. You just need it to have, it needs to be pressed into it. And then do you think I should go over him with? Oop. Maybe you do need a little material. Oh, maybe this way. And then maybe not, maybe like that. We'll have to see how it looks when it dries. Let's, where is that sponge? Here it is. Make sure this gets laid down. Oh, I kind of like using the sponge. It kind of glides. Ooh, this is something different than I've done. All right, where's my little, there it is. When you use Mod Podge like that, it wants to stick everywhere. Bonito. Have a great day.